Hi guys, welcome to another video. Ethereum's Bellatrix is activated and the next stop is going to be the merge that everyone's been waiting for. According to Vitalik, that's going to be somewhere around 13 to 16 September. So big days ahead of us. Russia's deputy finance minister says they are working for cross-border stablecoins as payments. This is going to increase adoption in stablecoins and will be very easy to move money from one place to another place. Big news coming from the NBA. NBA is going to be launching an NFT game at the start of this new season, and this is a very bullish news because this will bring adoption in NFTs. It's going to be the first big sports that's going to be doing this. It's coming straight from the United States, the NBA. Let's jump into today's chart, see what's happening in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Matic. First thing first, let's move into DXY. So DXY had a very good breakout from this cup and handle that I'd been sharing with you guys for the past days and had a good upside, went all the way into the highs of 103. Now again is having a retest from this resistance box. So once we do turn this resistance into support, then we will see some big upsides coming. Next up, let's look into USDT's dominance. USDT's dominance is following the chart pattern and the price action what we're seeing in DXY. So similarly, we saw a good upside here which went all the way to 7.41%. Now this been sideways, is trading in the same range and just above the support box. So this weekend's closing and the merge and the Fed rate hike, which is going to be very interesting in the next week. So that will play a very important role on DXY and USDT's dominance. Let's look at BTC on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we had that quick downside where we went all the way into $18,575. After that, we saw a good upside, which was a very healthy sign. And this was coming because we were forming a bullish divergence on the daily chart. But today we won't be looking into daily chart for Ethereum or BTC. Let's zoom in and look into 4 hours because on this weekend, I want to share with you guys more details on Sunday's video. So overall, looking very good. Some volume has come back. There was aggressive selling in this candle and became a bearish engulfing candle close just around here. And after that, we're having another quick bounce. So right now, we are facing resistance from Kelt zone, which is about $19,500. So the first target right now on this upside is going to be $19,500. And then we go up higher, which would be about $22,500 and 21,000 will be a very important zone. So 19,500, 21,000 and then 22,500. These are the zones I'm looking at, and you can clearly see this is our resistance line while the Kelt is sitting just about $60 short from $20,500. Overall, RSI looks okay. We will be forming a bearish divergence very soon. So this correction is a very healthy sign right now. We need some correction so we don't form a bearish divergence on the 4 hours RSI. MACD is again convergence. That means a green light is on there. Let's look at Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. So ETH 4-hour chart, like I said before, we would expect a move close to $1,700 did week on FTX and different exchanges to $1,700, and right after that we can expect a healthy correction. I was expecting somewhere around 1,650 to about 1,550, but we went all the way down to about $1,493. So an aggressive selling move there, big bearish engulfing candle on the volume and the price chart. And now we are seeing a reversal, which is a healthy sign. No bearish divergence here. And this correction is also pushing it sideways, which is a good sign for now. We went all the way into the highs of 1,658. So previously our targets were 1,658 to 1,750 to about $1,800. We are en route to that. If we look into the MACD is also converging into a green signal. So that means more people are going to be aping it right now. Let's look at BTC's 5-year charts. On the 5-year chart, top and bottom cycles, we are still testing below the 2017 highs. This is our previous support that we should hold, which is about $17,563. While I expect a retest to these zones, so this is about $22,500 to $200. That's what I feel is necessary right now. But we will be looking at these 2 points crucially. They are going to be very important on the sideways channel that we're looking at for BTC to accumulate in these zones for some time. So could be about $17,000 to about $22,000 will be very important right now. While our 200 moving average is at $23,239. We need some big volume for that. To have it close above that looks very unlikely. Let's move to Matic's chart on the daily time frame. So Matic is performing really well. This was supposed to be a bottom for this bear market, which we nailed it, and now we are seeing good healthy upsides here. Overall, if we zoom in into the Kelt on the daily time frames, we are right now bouncing from this resistance zone, which we tested twice and turned that into a good support. And now we are just facing resistance from the 50 MA. So we have to break above the 50 MA and then probably head higher into the highs of CAD, or at least have a retest of 200 moving average. The 200 moving average is going to be very, very important. So we can expect some healthy moves coming in, because Ethereum and Polygon have very strong relationship with scalability, and that will only come intact when we see them moving in a similar price structure, price pattern, which they are correlating very strongly. So I expect as Ethereum moves, Polygon should also move. If we look into MACD looks okay. RSI divergence is bearish divergence is not anywhere close right now, while bullish divergence is all right. There's nothing important happening here. MACD on the daily is already on green, so that is a healthy sign. Bulls are controlling Matic right now. Let's move into fear and greed index. We're on 20 levels, back into 20, just trading around in lower 20s and 20. Yesterday we were at 24, so just been in this range, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Not much happening here. Big day, big week, especially for the people who like Solana NFTs, because youths, Franks, D-Gods, youths, and about 54 projects you own literally nailed it. They have changed how NFT projects are being promoted, how the community is supposed to be run. They have done an amazing job, and I'm very, very excited to see the Solana network was able to hold so many transactions while youth was having a selling spree, because it sold out very, very quickly. Amazing things to be seeing for Solana network and also for NFTs on Solana. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Going to be back in here soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.